So this year, I've been making videos about different ways to make money online. And in this video, I wanted to talk about a method that's been around for many years. It's not a brand new strategy, but it is one of the best ways to make passive income online. And what I'm talking about is Amazon affiliate marketing. This is where you basically promote products from Amazon and earn commissions on any sales that you drive. You don't have to create your own product. You don't have to ship anything. You don't have to deal with any customer support. You simply get paid for sending traffic to Amazon. And best of all, you can do this completely for free. The biggest challenge most people face when it comes to affiliate marketing is that they try and find some kind of unfair advantage. They want to do something that will help them stand out amongst the millions of other affiliates that are already promoting the exact same products. But the truth is that there is no magic bullet. There's nothing that's going to instantly make you successful with affiliate marketing. And so in this video, I'm just going to go over the basics of how affiliate marketing works, how you can get started today, and what you need to do in order to be successful. So if you're ready, let's get into it. So first things first, you need an Amazon Associates account. This is completely free, and all you have to do is go to the Amazon Associates website and sign up. Once you're approved, which should only take a few minutes, you'll be given your own unique affiliate link that you can use to track your traffic and see how much money you're making. Next, you need to pick a niche or product that you want to promote. The most important thing here is that you choose something that you're actually interested in, because you're going to be more motivated to create content around it. Now, if you want to get really technical about it, you could pick a product based on search volume and commission rates. There's tools available that can help you do this. But at the end of the day, you're going to be way more successful if you stick with something that you enjoy and know a lot about. After that, you need to start creating content. This could be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, whatever you feel is the best way to reach your audience. Now, what you shouldn't do is just copy what everyone else is doing. A lot of people try and do exactly what's already working for other people, and by the time they do it, it's not going to work for them because everyone else has already done it. Instead, you need to come up with a unique angle that will help you stand out. That might mean taking a highly technical product and explaining it in simple terms so that your audience can easily understand it. Or maybe you can create fun and engaging content that will make your audience more likely to click on your affiliate links. Whatever it is, you need to come up with a strategy that will help you stand out from the crowd. Finally, you need to be patient and persistent. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to build up a successful affiliate business. But if you're willing to put in the work, it can be extremely rewarding. Now you don't have to follow my advice 100%. In fact, you probably shouldn't. Do your own research and come up with a strategy that works for you. If you want more specific advice on how to do this, I've got plenty of other videos available that go into more detail. Just search for Amazon affiliate marketing and you'll find everything you need to get started. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this helpful, please let me know in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.